Have you ever wondered about the untouched beauty of nature hidden away from the bustling city life? Imagine a place where the air is fresh, the greens are lusher, and time seems to stand still. A place where every sunrise is a spectacle and every sunset a symphony. This is the magic of nature in its purest, unspoiled form. Now, let's embark on a journey to one such magical place, nestled in the heart of northeast India. Welcome to the mystical lands of Jukhu Valley. Nestled in the northeastern state of Nagaland in India, Jukhu Valley is a haven for nature lovers. This enchanting locale, perched high above the sea level, is a unique blend of rolling hills, verdant meadows, and captivating streams. Its topography, a magical canvas of nature, strikes a chord with everyone who ventures here. The valley is home to a plethora of exotic flora and fauna, a true testament to the diversity of life on our planet. Among its treasures is the rare Jukhu lily, a flower that blooms nowhere else on Earth. This delicate pink-hued bloom is a sight to behold, a symbol of the valley's pristine beauty. Its nickname, the Valley of Celestial Charm, is well-deserved. The untouched beauty of the valley, coupled with the soothing sounds of the flowing streams, creates an ambiance that is nothing short of celestial. Jukhu Valley is not just a place, it's a feeling that captivates the soul. The journey to Jukhu Valley is as enchanting as the destination itself. To get there, you'll start from Kohima, Nagaland's vibrant capital. Here, cabs are readily available to take you to the base camp. Two popular trekking routes, Viswema and Zakama, offer their own unique challenges and rewards. The best time to visit? From June to September, when the valley blooms with a riot of colors. Remember, every step towards Jukhu Valley is a step towards serenity. Jukhu Valley is a testament to the unspoiled beauty of nature. A world where time seems to stand still, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of unique flowers, and the echoes of tranquility reverberate through the hills. This is Jukhu Valley, a paradise nestled in the heart of Nagaland. Often referred to as the Valley of Flowers, Jukhu is a canvas of vibrant hues, painted by a myriad of rare and exotic flora. Every corner of the valley is an artist's dream, providing an endless source of inspiration. Reaching the valley is a journey in itself. From the bustling city of Kohima, the serenity of Jukhu Valley is just a scenic drive and a rewarding hike away. The journey may challenge you, but the rewards are unparalleled. Jukhu Valley, a paradise on earth, is waiting for your footsteps. Will you answer its call?